Okay, Google, show me the trailer for Angry Birds.
How old is the Taj Mahal? Whoa, take me there.
Here are some headlines.
What's Picasso's full name?
Pablo Diego Jose Francisco de Paula Juan Nepomuceno Maria de... You're on the fastest route.
Play Laughing Owl.
Okay, Google, tirar uma selfie.
Call Graham.
Hello? Show me my graduation photos.
It's 29 degrees and clear. Your order has shipped. Here are your scores.
Now that the product placement is over, let's get started! Today you will be learning about artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is the development of computer systems to be able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Things like visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation of language. First, a brief history of AI. The idea of artificial intelligence dates back all the way to the origins of Greek mythology. Myths of Hephaestus and Talos both involve the idea of intelligent robots. Fast forward a bit through time to the 17th century, French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented one of the first ever mechanical calculators. Then, in 1912, a huge leap for AI occurred. Spanish engineer and mathematician Leonardo Torres y Quevedo invented what could be called the first computer game. This computer game, known as El Ajedrecista, was a machine that used electromagnets to play the endgame rook and king against the lone king. For those who don't play chess, like myself, that basically means winning the game. The machine was able to complete this play regardless of where the pieces were on the board. While it may not have done it the most efficient way, it was able to complete it every single time. Finally, fast forward about 85 years to 1997. Not too long ago, right? Well, in this year, one of the biggest achievements in AI took place. May 11th, 1997, the IBM computer Deep Blue took on chess world champion Garry Kasparov through 6 games of concentration and computation. Throughout the series, Kasparov won the first game, Deep Blue the second, then they drew the third, fourth, and fifth, and Deep Blue defeated Kasparov in the final game, securing the victory for Deep Blue. This event is notable due to the amount of computing that happened inside of Deep Blue. The machine was exploring up to 200 million possible chess positions every second, coming up with new strategies to defeat the champion. Now, for the final chapter of this wonderful thing. In March of 2016, Google's artificial intelligence division, DeepMind, had their AI, AlphaGo, compete against Go world champion Lee Sedol. Go is a game that originated in China roughly 2,500 years ago. The main point of the game is to surround your opponent's stones with your own and to make points of territory. To talk more about this event and machine learning, here is Google CEO Sundar Pichai from Google I/O 2016.
Go is an ancient Chinese board game. There's a simple 19 by 19 grid, but it is one of the most complex games humans have ever designed. It has more possible board configurations, many more possible board configurations than there are atoms in the universe. Beating Go for computers was widely considered to be the grand challenge for AI, and most people thought it wouldn't happen for another decade or so. So we are really thrilled that AlphaGo was able to achieve this milestone recently. One thing worth calling out, in the second game, there was a move 37 by AlphaGo. It changed the course of the game and is now widely considered one of the most beautiful Go moves ever seen in tournament play. It was not just an intuitive move, but a very creative move. We normally don't associate computers with making creative choices, and so to us, this represents a significant achievement in AI. By the way, Lee Sedol has won every single game since he played against AlphaGo, and he has even replayed some of the moves he learned from AlphaGo in that game. As the state-of-the-art capabilities in machine learning and AI progress, we see them becoming very versatile, and we think it applies to a wide range of fields. I want to give you 2 examples. First, robotics. At Google, a bunch of 20%ers decided to help trained robots to pick up objects. You can see it behind me. This is not new. You usually do it by writing control system code. You program the robots with rules. But this time, they decided to use deep learning techniques. So you create a continuous feedback cycle so that the robots can learn hand-eye coordination by themselves using deep learning. As you can see, they keep doing it, and they keep learning it over and over again. And over time, they get better, and they even learn natural and useful behaviors. So for example, the robot is nudging the stapler away to pick up that yellow object. We didn't write that rule. The robot learned it automatically using deep learning. So it's an amazing example of what machine learning can do.
Thank you, Mr. Kai. Now you can see the strides we've made in artificial intelligence and machine learning. We've come a long way from developing the first calculator to defeating the world champion in a seemingly simple yet complex game. As the future fast approaches, AI will become more prevalent in our world. One of the largest impacts is the ability to automate different jobs. Factories were just the beginning. Soon we will have automated restaurants, self-driving cars, and even robotic lawyers. I hope you're ready to welcome your new robotic overlords. This whole thing that we've covered, this whole idea of artificial intelligence and developing new computers, it represents an advancement in replicating one of the most complex computers known to man, the human mind. And that is why this will be a major event in our history. Thank you very much.
Construct additional armor.